In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use for system design diagrams. So let's get started. So here we are in Miro, and basically I'm going to show you different methods and how you'd be able to do this. First thing is that you can create from scratch, which is what I don't recommend because this is going to take a lot of time. But in return, you would be able to curate your own style, and everything comes from your own preference. And yeah, everything would match to your preference. So basically, you want to do that by going here into shapes and then creating the shapes right here to start out your first one. And then you can put in some text. So let's say sample text. And then you can format the text to make it bigger. And then you can also format the shape right here and then changing the color just like that. And then you could now duplicate that to create another shape if you want the same shape, or you could go for another shape right here if you want and create another one. And from here, you can now go here and put in a text. So sample text 2. And then from here is that you just simply would want to connect the shape. So you want to select the shape and notice this this 4 dots right here at their side. So you could use that to connect to the other shape just like that. And same goes for the other shapes right here. So I'm going to select this and then go for the circle now. Just like that. So you can repeat the same process until you fully create your system design. Or even better is that you would be able to go here into templates, and then you could also go for system design right here. And from here, you don't have to start from scratch because you have now a base for your style in creating your system design right here. You can just choose one and then it will now be imported into the project. For example, I would want this one. I'm going to click on that, preview template. And then as you can see, this is only available for the upgraded plan here in Miro. So I wouldn't be able to use that. But basically, if you have the upgraded plan, then you can definitely use it. And some of these are for free. You can click on use template, and then it would now be imported into the workspace. And next is my favorite, which is creating via AI, because with this, you would be able to create your system design very easily and curate it according to your preferences just by instructing the AI on how the AI would make it. So in here, I just simply need to click here on the Miro AI icon on the left menu or toolbar, and then click on diagram. And from here is that you can now go for flowchart, entity relationship diagram, mind map, sequence, and many more right here. And from here, we will now be presented with these choices on what type of diagram we would wish to create. So the best one right here for system design is the UML class diagram. Why? Because it shows the structure of your system, classes, attributes, methods, and relationships, which is also ideal for backend architecture, object modeling, and so on. And now that I have selected UML class diagram, I'm just going to enter my prompt. So this is my prompt right here. You can have a more basic prompt, like just a one sentence. It's basically fine. You can start from there and make changes as needed from there or from the point. But in this example, I'm just going to use this one right here. It's already a detailed prompt, so I'm expecting detailed results. So from here, I'm going to send it, and it will now make my UML class diagram based from my prompt. So design a system architecture for a tourism booking platform, include modules for user login, tour management, payment processing, customer support, analytics, and many more, and show how mobile or web front ends connect to backend services via APIs and blah blah blah. So yeah, and now here is the system design that we have made right here from AI. So from here, if you already like this, then you can now go and click here and add to canvas. But if there are some changes that you would want to be made, then you can just enter a response right here, type it out, and then the AI will make it happen depending on the changes that you have requested. But as for me, it's now all good with me. It's just that I didn't like this part right here because it is overlapping with the line. So I'm just going to change that later on. So basically I can change that after adding here into canvas. So click here and add to canvas. And now from here, we can now edit this manually. So for this one, I'm just going to go for this arrow right here, and I'm just going to go and make it like this so that it won't overlap with my this part right here. So that's good. Everything is clean now. And then you could also modify the others right here if you wish. And then you could also add the arrows, format the shapes right here. You can make it more thick and then change the color for that right here. You could do it like this and do the same thing for the other shapes and also for the text. You could also do some formatting right here. You could make it like that. And yeah, basically just like that. You can do the same thing for the others, and then you will now have a complete system design. You could also just import or just type out the details that you need right here if ever these are not correct. So yeah, this is basically it on how you would be able to create your system design here in Miro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.